Here is a good tip for orchid lovers. When you buy your orchid from a supermarket or garden center, and after they finish flowering or stop flowering, don't throw it away. Go up to the highest node. For example, I call that a node. Go to the highest node and cut it about half an inch above the node, which I did with this one, and see, it's flowered. And here is another proof. I've done same thing here, half an inch above the node, and it's got a new stem for flowering. This one I should be doing repotting, is getting too big. And the other tip is water them once every 2 weeks, not every week or once a month, every 2 weeks. Fill the roots. If they dry up like this, that means it needs watering. They've got to be like a greyish and full up, because it needs repotting. It's getting a little bit too big for the pot. Now don't forget, the orchids are not naturally kept in pots. They're a tropical plant, and where they grow in the rainforest, on tree barks or on the rocks, they don't need much soil. But you got to keep the roots a little damp. As you can see there, it's got new leaves growing, nice and shiny and healthy. This one I need to repot it, get a bigger pot, because I like this. I had this for nearly 2 years. It's got a new leaf coming out here, and the flowering stems usually grow from the side between the two leaves, as you can see, between the two leaves. So don't forget, don't throw your orchid away. Just cut it half an inch above the node, and you'll get a new flowering stem.